Hi friends, I welcome you all in this exciting training session being conducted by TNV Academy. Let me explain to you what we will be covering in this session. The clause 9 of ISO 9001-2015 titled Performance Evaluation. This signifies the check part of the Plan, Do, Check, Act PDCA cycle. Here the organization is checking to see whether they have done the execution of activities as per the plan or not. This main clause has three subclasses, namely 9.1 Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis and Evaluation, 9.2 Internal Audit, and 9.3 Management Review. The checking involves monitoring, measurement and analysis, internal audits, and management review. From the outcomes of the checking process, any deviations can be identified and course correction towards continual improvement can be done by the organization. In today's session, we will be covering the clause 9.1 Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis and Evaluation. And this comes under the main clause 9, which is Performance Evaluation. Now let us understand about the internal references taken by clause 9.1 of ISO 9001-2015. As far as this clause is concerned, this takes reference from ISO 9000-2015 standard. ISO 9000-2015 standard spells out the terms and definitions used in this international standard so that there is no misinterpretation done while implementing the requirements of ISO 9001-2015. Now let me tell you what the key learnings takeaways from this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand the importance of monitoring customer satisfaction, what needs to be monitored and measured in the organization, how data analysis is critical for the organization for managing the risk and opportunities. So let's begin our discussion regarding clause 9.1 Monitoring, Measurement, Analysis and Evaluation. This clause consists of three subclasses which are 9.1.1 General, 9.1.2 Customer Satisfaction, 9.1.3 Analysis and Evaluation. Now let us discuss the clause 9.1.1 General. The organization needs to determine what needs to be monitored and measured, how and when, as well as when the results will be analyzed. These include all the monitoring and measurement done in the organization, right from raw material to finished products, customer perception about your products and services, customer complaints, and customer satisfaction. Some of the parameters for monitoring and measurement include process performance results, internal audit findings, customer surveys and feedback, competitor and benchmarking information for improvement, product test results, supplier performance information, etc., etc. Also, the performance of quality management system in terms of key performance indicators of processes and status and progress on quality objectives. Once the monitoring and measuring are performed and the results are gathered, the organization needs to analyze the results in order to evaluate the conformity of products and services. Degree of customer satisfaction, the performance of the quality management system, the effectiveness of the actions taken to address the risk and opportunities, the performance of external providers, the need for improvements to the quality management system. Organization need to keep all records of monitoring, measurement and evaluation performed as evidence. Now let us discuss the next clause 9.1.2 Customer Satisfaction. The requirement of this clause is that the organization should seek and record evidence that it has implemented a consistent and systematic approach in dealing with the customer feedback and gathering information on the customer perception about its products or service. Just monitoring customer complaint and collecting data on customer perception is not sufficient. You should seek and record evidence that your organization has analyzed and evaluated customer data and that conclusions have been made with regard to the effectiveness of the management system. For example, the trends on customer perception, are the complaints decreasing or increasing, are the customer needs and expectations changing. The organization needs to have a consistent and systematic approach to deal with the customer complaints. Information about customer satisfaction can be collected via phone, interview or questionnaire, direct contact with the user on the field, etc. All the data collected from customer satisfaction should be analyzed and evaluated to arrive at a meaningful conclusion about the improving the customer satisfaction levels. Now let us discuss the clause 9.1.3 Analysis and Evaluation. This clause has a direct linkage with one of the fundamental principles of quality management system, which is evidence-based decision making. Decisions to be taken in the organization based on data analysis are not based on subjective emotions and gut feelings. Raw data has no meaning unless it is analyzed to arrive at meaningful conclusions. Data analysis can be done using various statistical techniques. The output on data analysis and evaluation should give meaningful trends on customer satisfaction and perception, product process performance, opportunities for improvement, suppliers and subcontractors evaluation, need for corrective action, opportunity for improvement. Friends, I hope you are clear with the requirements of clause 9.1, monitoring, measurement, analysis and evaluation. So now we'll learn about the mandatory documents that an organization has to maintain while meeting the requirements of clause 9.1. There is mandatory documentary requirement for retaining records as evidence of monitoring and measurement results. This includes all inspection reports, customer complaints, surveys, and supplier evaluation records. Dear friends, we have now come to the conclusion of this training session. I hope you all must have understood the requirements and concepts that fall under the clause 9.1 of ISO 9001:2015. See you soon with an exciting new topic. Till then, it's me signing off. Goodbye and thank you.